Right, let's have a little bit of a play. I've got all these elements I've made. I've got piles of them, so I'm good for Christmas cards this year. Yay! But I thought we'd have a little bit of mix and match and show you some combinations. So if you look here, we'll have a play. So what I've got is the first backing paper. Let's start with the backing paper. And I'm thinking cool, pretty background here. So let's say you want to use, let's use a silver base. So silver mirror card, pop it on there and it'll give it a wow base. And I've got one here that I've already blinged up with the elements. And oh wow, look at that already. I'm going to try and lift these up for you. Look at how cool that backing paper looks with that centre. Isn't that fab?
Bobby
so
Dazzler.
Then Bobby Dazzler, and then you've got obviously the middles that you're going to pop in with your thing. So just so it makes it, try a different one. Let's try this one. Oh look, let's do this. See what this looks like. So we've got you could go with a matte background. Doesn't have to be blingy, does it? It could be the matte and that verdigris style one. Oh, I'm liking that, Maria. Look at that. Just by offsetting it a little bit, and that's just one paper we've got into the mix here. So. And that, how quick is that? That isn't even glittered yet. That's the a copper embossing powder on that tealy card that I showed you earlier, with a little bit of chipped sapphire around the outside, yeah. And then that in the centre, and then you can pop your. And then of course you've got all your snowflakes as well. I haven't even shown you these. You've got all these snowflakes you can layer up on it. Oh, the white, yeah, that one there. With maybe, oh look, I've thingied me little middle one there. Look at that. And then you've got the wording, those big wording dies in the middle. That's done. Thank you. It's done. Right, let me change the backing paper. That's the first backing paper. Let's change into another one. Let's put this one, the more wintry, snowy one. Oh, I think I might even like that better on there. It looks really quite edgy on that one, don't you think? Do you like that? You know what, it's fab because the backing paper is all sorted for. It's got a lighter centre. So if you put those big wording dies in there, you really don't need a scene middle if you don't want to. This is on the wrong, it's from one of the other sets I coloured on craft card with, this is the homage to Julie's card. Julie Tempton did a fabulous card. Check out the inkettes if you want to see more inspiration, and obviously my main Facebook page where there's loads of stuff there and all these samples are there for you. So when you've got your collection, go there and all the team's samples will be held there. You're not going to miss out on anything. Let's have a look, different combination. We have a lighter one. We've got this pretty blingy pale one here. I think maybe the pale one on the darker colour looks better. Do you think, Maria?
Lovely.
Yeah, not lovely.
Gives it depth, doesn't
yeah,
it?
And then we've got another pale paper here. And again, these are all going to take inks as well. So you've got in fact, there's little doves there, so make sure they're around the right way. Let's see, maybe we should have done some gold backing. There's that one we just did. Look, that'd look pretty on there, wouldn't it? Look, you don't even need that extra layer, to make it look at the difference there where that glitter is and it's blended in with the inks. Can you see? Isn't that pretty? Oh, you know what we could put in there? The doves. Oh, they're flown off, Maria. Come on. Oh, the dove from above. Oh. You didn't used to watch the Vic and Bob thing, did you, Maria? You don't know any reference for that, do you? Okay, so look. You can pop your doves in the middle. Oh, when doves cry. You know what reference was, Maria?
That was a song, wasn't it?
It was the Prince reference. Yeah, see there. Didn't get the Vic and Bob one. Oh, look. Pretty. Oh, I've got doves clinging to me. Oh, now there, look. So, those doves, perfect. That's just stamped in a pumice stone, a little bit of water. I think that looks really, it works. Right, should we move on to the other backing combination? This one, that. So let's move on to, seriously, I have such a mess going on here. Let's see what a gold base. Right. Curves when you put through the thing. So gold base for the wow factor. Oh, push it up there so you can actually see it. And then that finished coloured in middle outline. And then we've got different centres. Look, we've got a couple of different middles here. There's a different colour just in the distress ink. Pop that in there. Just as we did that other one. Same thing, but using the little cottage this time. That. Oh, where's the little robin? Yeah, little robin. This little guy can be sitting just there maybe.
Oh.
Oh, isn't that lovely? But look at how cool those papers are. It's all done. That backend's done. Quick, that bit in the middle. Paper's done quick. So the only time, the bit you've spent really on is colouring that bit there. Should we try a different backing paper? Let's see what that one looks like. The little birdie one here. And try a different combination in the middle as well. This is what I would absolutely do. I would definitely do, oh, that looks pretty too with the lighter border, doesn't it? And remember, these take your ink as well. If you think, oh, I want to put a bit of ink on there, you can't. What about this partly coloured one as well? I think that looked better on the more busy, the stronger paper. This is what you're going to be doing. You see, I think the partly coloured one works better on the more definite colour background, don't you? Because the white shows up against that. So this is what I would be playing at. A little bit of holly there. Pop that in the corner. Maybe he can be standing there. And you've got your big Christmas words in the centre. And there's another one sorted and done. I like that one. Love that combination. I would take a picture of that because I think that against that background, winner, winner, chicken dinner. Oh, I'll tell you what we've got as well. Yeah, I haven't even shown you this one. So, I don't know if that'll look good on this background or one of the cooler backgrounds, but look at that. I think I want to see that on a snowflake background. And I want to see it on a pale one. Let's try either that one or that one. So, chipped sapphire. Oh yeah, that's better. Don't you think? Definitely want that cool background. I want to put that way. Yeah, it works always, isn't it? And then you've got your, I've got my little coloured element there with, I've got, yeah, there he is. And that's just monochrome stamping with your chipped sapphire, and then your, and you know, you can pop your little snowflakes in here or there as well. Just have a play with it. I've lost a little bit of coloured ivy I've got my way on that, but hopefully that's given you some ideas to mix and match and play with these. So you could do that with that and that and that. But absolutely, that's exactly what I would do, is colour your elements in, colour them in different ways, try them out, and then when you like something, take a picture of it and you're good to go. Was it painted heart in the middle? Yeah. So the other thing is as well, you can use a bigger heart, pop it on there, and a little bit of painting with a fan brush. So it doesn't have to be that middle. It could be a little bit of, you know, freestyling it, painting you've done, pop it in the middle, and you've got another card again. See? Da-da-da. I'm hoping that's given you some inspiration. If I could keep going, and I can keep going, but you know what? Lou is going to be like begging to get her life back. So thank you if you've all sat through all of that, and let me know if it was beneficial, if you've enjoyed it, and we'll just keep doing it. And it's all good stuff. And thank you for joining us, and I hope you have fun with them. Take care.